Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS as they're better known, are becoming more commonplace in our cars. This technology assists with a wide range of driving functions, and heads-up display is a popular ADAS system that many manufacturers are now utilizing. In this video, we'll explore what an aftermarket heads-up display is and whether you can have one installed in your car. Heads-up display is a technology that projects text, images, and key information onto the windscreen in front of the driver. It beams data such as speed, maps and other vehicle information onto the windscreen itself, meaning drivers don't have to glance away from the road, thereby enhancing safety. Yes, if your car does not feature a heads-up display, you can install aftermarket options yourself. Unlike standard options that car manufacturers incorporate into their vehicles, most aftermarket choices are completely separate from the windscreen. Despite this, they're very easy to install. All you need to do is find a suitable place on your dashboard and, depending on the type, connect it to your car or smartphone. Always be sure to follow the setup instructions provided. At the Windscreen Company, no matter what type of car you drive, we are here to help. Our team of leading windscreen specialists provides expert windscreen replacements and windscreen repairs to vehicles of every make and model. We also provide windscreen recalibration to cars with ADAS systems, ensuring you're safe when out on the road. Operating across the West Midlands and the South East, contact the Windscreen Company today to learn more.